Hey, this is Stuff from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio where I have a cool new product which I'm going to unbox, review, test for you, and give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how much I like or dislike these particular items. They are designed for lighting up under cabinetry or shelves, that kind of an accent light kind of thing. I had really bought them to light up Nikki's collectibles on her shelves in her office, but I'm kind of thinking I should be lighting up this stuff here. That would look cool in the background, right? That's cooler. Maybe that's what we'll do. In any case, let's unbox it and talk about what they are. I'm sure you have all kinds of similar projects, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video right now. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so we got the plug. Just so you know, these lights, one of the reasons I chose these lights, are a bluish, very white light. They're 6,000 Kelvin, which is like not on the warm scale at all, not like natural light. It is more of a blue light, which is kind of cool. Comes with a remote controller with multi-function capabilities. There's a timer, you could turn it off, turn it on. Here are the actual lights themselves. Inline on the lights, there's a little dimmer, which you can control it there. You don't necessarily have to use the remote. And there are also a couple cool adapters so that you don't have to have it as one constant strand. You can space it out however you need. Here are the connectors, just so you can see what they look like. There's a small one, and then there's a long one, which I will say, when I looked at this on Amazon, I really thought this was much longer, like a foot long or something, some serious length, so I could go like from one shelf to the other. But it's really only about 6 inches or 3 inches apart for the segments of light, just so you can see how this works. Let me show you. Here's how it goes. It goes like this, moves along, and then you get to a break here, so you can see that. All you do is pull it apart, insert the adapter here. So I've inserted the adapter, and now there is a space there between the strands of light. Once again, I'm going to say for me, I find that to be not long enough of a space, but I'll figure out a way to make it work. What do you say we turn it on so you can see how bright they are, and then we'll come back and give it a Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know what I think. All right, what do you say we turn it on and see what it looks like? I got it plugged in, hit it with some power. Whoo, there it goes. Look at that. I'm not going to totally unwind it because I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it yet, but you can see how bright that is. That's pretty cool. Let's try the remote control out a little bit. Let's see what we got here. So we got the remote control in hand. Let's try some of the basics. Off. Oh, that was on. Off. On. Let's dim it. There we go, we're dimming it. Ooh, that's so cool. Turn it back on. Ooh, that one's kind of like a crazy one. That pulsing kind. Okay, and then we have straight up timers, 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour. This is the night light. This is the night, like the subtle night vision for a romantic evening, wherever you've lit it up. Let's go back to daylight. There we go. Okay, and then one last test that I want to show you. Let's try the inline dimmer. There we go. Okay, it's dimming and getting brighter. Okay, that works perfectly. Okay, so that's cool. So I think my answer has to be, this would be 5 LEDs out of 5 LEDs. For ease of use, you can take it, split it up, make it longer, make it shorter, however you need. Super easy, you saw me do it. 2 seconds, that's all it takes. The remote control works perfectly. The light is really attractive. It's a good amount of light for a cute little LED strand. And just so you know, it does have a removable adhesive back for wherever you're gonna put it. And I think that takes care of everything other than just fully saying 5 out of 5 LEDs on this one. We will see you next time.